Look, to survive the wave of AI layoffs, you don't need to learn hundreds of new tools. You only need to master one skill. And today, we're going to break down exactly what that skill is and how it can secure your financial future in an age of total disruption.
So let's be honest. This is the question on everyone's mind right now, isn't it? The pace of change is just, well, it's creating a ton of uncertainty. You see the headlines, you hear the warnings, and you can't help but wonder, okay, where do I fit into this new world? And this isn't some far-off problem. For a lot of people, it's happening right now.
And here's the big trap so many people are falling into. It feels like a new AI tool drops every single day, right? So the instinct is to scramble and try to learn all of them. But let me tell you, that is a race you are guaranteed to lose. It's totally exhausting, and you know what? It completely misses the whole point.
All right, so let's start by looking at the scale of the challenge. This isn't just hype. The disruption is real, and yeah, it's already here.
And look, this isn't just speculation. We're talking about heavy hitters like Goldman Sachs putting out warnings about AI's impact on millions of jobs. Even that brief market panic sparked by a single research note from Citrony showed just how on edge everyone is. In this new environment, adaptability? Well, it isn't some fuzzy soft skill anymore. It's the only real advantage you've got.
Okay, so we know the threat is real. The next question is, how are people reacting? Well, for a lot of folks, it's by playing what is essentially a losing game. Let's see what that looks like.
Now, this is really interesting. People are turning to AI for their finances, that's clear. But look at how they're using it. The data shows that a big chunk of people are using it for things like portfolio adjustments and financial planning. It's a really passive approach. They're basically treating these incredibly powerful tools like a slightly smarter search engine for money questions.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Seeking incremental advice won't deliver the exponential gains. Disciplined execution will. See, that's the whole thing. Asking for little tips isn't where the magic is. The real power comes from something AI is just flat out better at than any human. Disciplined, unemotional execution.
Which of course brings us to the core solution. If asking AI for advice is the wrong game, what's the right one? Well, it all comes down to mastering one specific skill.
And here it is. This is it. Forget trying to be an expert in every new AI model. The single most valuable skill is learning how to select and manage financial AI agents that build capital on your behalf. This is how you create a real financial buffer against job disruption.
So you're probably asking, what exactly is a financial AI agent? Let's be super clear. This is not just a chatbot giving you stock tips. No way. This is a system that can reason, act, and coordinate trades across different markets, all with very little input from you once it's set up. It's an executor, not just an advisor.
And management isn't some vague concept. It's a clear process. You define the goals. You set the rules and the risk limits. You select the right AI agents for your strategy. And then you monitor how they're doing. See? Your job becomes strategy, not the second-by-second execution. And that right there defines the new partnership. This isn't about humans versus AI. It's about a new division of labor where each side plays to its strengths. So why is this partnership so powerful? Just look at these numbers. It's insane. You've got one AI quant fund reporting a staggering 52% return. Meanwhile, on the other side, an unbelievable 84% of human retail traders lose money. That gap isn't about a lack of information. It's a huge gap in discipline and execution.
And this is exactly why that gap exists. We humans, we're driven by panic, fatigue, and emotion. We hesitate. An AI agent, on the other hand, operates with unwavering discipline and 24/7 precision. It executes instantly, doing all the hard work without any of the emotional baggage.
So, what does this all mean for you? It means a fundamental shift in your role. It's time to move from being a fan in the stands to becoming the coach on the sidelines. Let's reframe this entire idea. When you start managing AI agents, you're doing so much more than just putting money into the market.
This is the key. You're building a team. Think of yourself as the general manager, the head coach. Your job is to assemble a squad of AI agents designed to win.
Think about it like this. You need a striker. That's an aggressive agent that follows market momentum to score those big wins. You need a disciplined defender, an agent that plays it safe for stability. And you need a clever midfielder, an agent that can exploit tiny inefficiencies in the market. You build a balanced team for all conditions.
And what's your job as the coach? It's not to get on the field and play the game. It's to set the strategy, define the rules of engagement, and, this is absolutely crucial, to install the safety measures like kill switches. You are in control of the high-level strategy.
And this just sums it all up perfectly. In football, fans watch the game. Coaches shape it. Fans react emotionally to what's happening on the field. Coaches are the ones who build the team and set the strategy that actually determines the outcome. That's your new role.
So we'll end with this question. The game is already underway. The markets are increasingly being shaped by these AI systems. The real risk isn't letting AI compete for you. The real risk is waiting on the sidelines until the opportunity is gone. The choice is yours. Are you going to be a fan, or are you going to be the coach?